What's up?
Hi, Demi. I love you. I'm from Kuwait, by the way.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
If you were in a haunted house and you got chased by would you rather get chased by a zombie or by a vampire? And why?
Probably a zombie, because that seems more fun.
I love you.
Love you too.
Zombie apocalypse.
All right, Alice. Is that what it said? Allie.
Hi, Demi.
Hi.
I was just wondering, do you ever get tired of like singing songs every night, like the same ones over and over?
No, I have a lot of fun each time I do it. I try to keep it exciting, like, changing up some stuff here and then, experimenting with new dance moves or whatever. I just like to have fun with it.
Okay, Kelly.
Sorry, would you rather get a tattoo of a dinosaur on your face or have a huge tattoo of Nicolas Cage on your back?
I'd probably hide Nicolas Cage's face on the back. More than I could a dinosaur on my face. Depends on how big the dinosaur is. Bigger than my face is not gonna work.
Sophia.
You look like a pop star. Look at how sparkly and cool you are.
Do you ever bring your pets on your tour bus?
You know what? I do sometimes. This is the only tour in the United States where I haven't, I feel like. My dogs are at home and I miss them very much.
All right, last question. Millie? Luli?
Go, Millie!
If you're in the Hunger Games, what would your tactics be and would you think you'd survive?
I love your accent. I was expecting that to come out of your mouth.
Okay.
Oh, that makes sense. My tactics. I don't know, just beat everyone up. I'd probably run like I was being chased by zombies. I would probably attack everyone in sight. And I don't know, it's a dog-eat-dog world out there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Thank you, I love you.
Love you.
Thanks a lot.
So you guys want to hear one more song?